Good morning, class. Welcome to your English class. Let's continue with the lesson. Burial in the forest. Come on, page number 16. Last, where Diana is saying, Diana, shh, don't make so much noise. We might awaken the spirits of the woods. She laughed out loudly. Diana said not to make much noise, otherwise the ghost of the forest will wake up. And she laughed loudly. And Lakshmi, don't frighten me, Diana. I heard something back there, and now you mention creepy things. Creepy means scary. So tell me, how did your aunt ever manage to poison the cake? Lakshmi then said her not to make her afraid, as she had already listened some voice when she was coming, and then Diana was talking scary things. So she asked her what her aunt did to make the cake poisonous. Diana said, it was a horrible mix-up. The cake was baked yesterday. My aunt's idea was to have it all delivered to me as a surprise. She didn't realize that vanilla essence was bought quite some time back. My mother noticed the date of expiry, got frantic. She is aware of what can happen when expired products are used. She was relieved only when I told her today that I hadn't had it as yet. She asked me to dispose it off so that no human or animal could get to it, though it was a close call. Diana then replied her that her aunt wanted to give her surprise and the cake was baked or made the day before. She didn't notice that vanilla essence which she was putting in cake was expired. Vanilla essence is put in cake or in ice cream. It is used for smelling and tasting to get the taste of vanilla. And her mother noticed it. She got worried. Frantic means get worried. She was afraid that if her daughter had it, what will happen, as she knows what could the expiry products could cause, like food poisoning it can cause. And she got relaxed when Diana told her that she had not had that cake. Then her mother told her to settle it down. Her mother told her that to settle the cake or dispose it off quickly so that no animal or human being could have it. And then she said it was कि बाल बचे केक खाने से, अच्छा हुआ केक नहीं खाए, सही टाइम पे मम्मा ने बता दिया. Lakshmi, what a waste. The cake looks so delicious. I wish. Lakshmi said, what a waste. The cake looks so delicious. I wish I could eat it entirely. But who wants a cake that is poisonous? And Lakshmi saying that cake is looking so delicious. She wanted to eat whole, but no one wants to eat the cake which is poisonous. Poison cake, no one can eat. Kathy was telling us Lakshmi that let's bury this thing. If we burn it, the woods will catch fire and our team leaders will be very annoyed. Kathy said to Lakshmi that if they make it burn, the forest would catch fire and their leader would be very angry. So let's bury it there. Lakshmi, all right. What we dig the ground with? Lakshmi replied her that okay, but how they dug that? Diana, I have seen a spade back in our tent. Let's leave the cake here and go and get it. The three girls put the box on the ground and leave. Mary and Sina tiptoe onto the stage from the left. Mary, I saw them going that way. Let's keep following them and see what they are up to. Diana said them that she had seen a spade in the back of their tent, so just leave that cake there and go and get it. And they all went. It was shown that they leave the box on ground and went back. Meanwhile, two girls from left walked slowly from left side and entered to the stage. Mary said that she saw them going that way. Let's watch what were they wanted to do. Then Sania, pointing to the box, she said that she had seen them with the box and that was lying there. Why had they left that box here? Let's check it. They open the box and take the cake out. Mary, oh, so this was a plan. Those selfish girls came here to eat the cake all by themselves. We'll have it and teach them a lesson. They must have gone back for knives or forks. They unboxed it and found the cake. Mary then said, "Great! That was the plan. They